Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Holland's Classroom, where today we're in My Math, Chapter 3, Lesson 3. We're going to be talking about number 15. Now, we're getting a little high here on the scales, so um, I think you guys can hang with me though, because we've been talking about the shortcuts to counting bigger numbers. So we're going to apply those shortcuts today. And if you don't know what page it is, I believe we're on page 191. So turn to 191 in your book, and on the front of it, it is a picture of a spaceship, and there's aliens there. Don't get freaked out. They're cool. Don't worry. Trust me. Okay, so let's get into this. Our essential question: how can I show numbers beyond 10? Let's solve some problems here. What is 1 more than 11? 1 more than 11? All right, well, let's do some drawing here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like a 10 frame. It's not very neat, but 11, and then what's one more? So I have one group of 10s right there, and then I have two extra ones. 12. Found the answer. Geniuses. You guys are smart. Okay, so use models to show the number 15. Interesting. Let's objects show 15. Let's see. We are going to, we'll use counters, but here's the deal. We already know how to do the shortcut thing. So with my pencil, I can show you, I see in the number 15, the 1 means that there's one full 10 frame. So I'm going to color this one all in. Uh-oh, maybe I should have not been so careless. Okay, that's better. All right, back to the drawing board. Okay, so we have 10 right there because the 10 frame is full. If you want to count, you can go ahead, but shortcut counting here. 10 frame is full, so that means there's 10. We have one full 10 frame. Am I going to color this whole thing in? No, because I'm looking over there and it says that there are only 5 extra ones. So I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh yeah, 5 is half of 10, so I can color in this top row, but I'm not going to touch these ones because I don't have that many. So 15, 1, 10, 5 extra ones. Booyah. Let's go on to the next one. Show the number 15 two different ways. Write the number. Let's see. Well, I know how to write the number, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. But with objects, let's do counters. And I'm going to make it like 10 frame style. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so that takes a long time, which is why I like using 10 frames because we can go a little quicker than that. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a 10 frame right here. Then we have 5 on top, 5 on bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we'll do a 10 frame over here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so you know what this means. I get to color this whole 10 frame in because the whole thing is full. One full 10 frame. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There, I showed it two different ways. Look at that. Awesome. Okay, now we're on the first page of your book. These are the aliens I was talking about, remember? So basically what they want you to do is count them and trace the number. So you can cross off one at a time if you really want to, like 1, 2, 3, 4. But we already know it's all full, so we have one full 10 frame. So I'm going to draw the 1 for the 110. And then we know that this top row is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 extra ones. See how quick that is? So quick. Now, for those of you who are having a little bit of a hard time remembering, I'm going to do it the slow version just so you can see how this makes sense. Okay, so we're doing the same thing. We're counting the spaceships because we're still talking about aliens here. But I'm going to do the slow version and then I'll show you the fast version again. So we can count them one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we get the same result every time. We counted 1, we crossed off 1. So we cross out 15 of them, and then you write the number. 1 full 10 frame, 5 extra ones. Now let's go to the fast version where we see, okay, so there's 1 full 10 frame. So this one's all full. Uh-oh, I just scribbled too much again. See that? Let me erase that. Thank you. Okay. So 1 full 10 frame, right? 1 full 10 frame, 1 full 10 frame. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over here, 5 extra ones. So we can go show like this: 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's how you get to 15. Okay. All right. So, yeah, genius. Booyah. All right. I don't know what the heck these things are, but we're going to go ahead and cross them off. So, let's do it the full way. Show you how I do it. Okay. Ready? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 10 with 5 extra ones. You see? That's how we come up with the number. It's not we just like make random numbers. They make sense. The 1 stands for 1 full 10 frame, and the 5 stands for the extra leftover alien thingies. But we're getting the hang of this. I can feel it. I know you guys are getting the hang of this. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to do it for the rest of your work and for your homework. You're going to show how you do that. You can cross them off, color over. If you have crayons, you can color over them. Just make sure you don't scribble too hard like I do, because it's kind of hard to erase crayon. So make sure that for the 10 frame, you scribble in the 10 frame. And then for the extra 5s, you color in one at a time so you don't scribble over the whole thing. Because if you scribbled over the whole thing like this, let me show you. So like if you like 5 and then you're like, oops, and then you go, okay, I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's not right. We scribbled too much. So just make sure you take it easy on the marker there. Take it even easier than me. But if you haven't had enough practice with this, go back to my other lessons where we do more of this kind of work and more practice and stuff like that. But that's all I have. So until next time, I'll see you all later. Bye, everyone.